Click on Add Verification. Advertising verification proxy IP is a tool that uses a proxy server to verify the effectiveness of advertising. It can help advertisers more accurately understand the delivery of ads and improve the effectiveness of advertising. The ad verification business needs to verify ads in different regions, so it needs to use IP addresses from different regions. Providing over 200 million residential agents, taking ad verification to the next level. All 280 GB purchase plan has coupons. You can get the coupons from the comment area. Just fill it in here.